Understanding, get your bearings. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English phrases for you. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, get your bearings. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. But what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we break it down for you. Get your bearings is an idiom that originally comes from navigation. In the context of navigation, to get your bearings means to determine one's position relative to their surroundings. However, when we use this phrase in everyday language, it takes on a broader meaning. It means to understand one's current situation, find one's direction, or adjust to a new environment. This could apply to a physical location, a new job, or any unfamiliar situation. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in various contexts. Here are a few examples. 1. After moving to a new city, it took me a few weeks to get my bearings, but now I know all the best places to visit. 2. Starting a new job, give yourself time to get your bearings in the new role. It's okay to ask questions. 3. Learning something new. When you start learning a new language, it might take a while to get your bearings. In each case, the phrase emphasizes patience and adjustment to something new. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding to your vocabulary. It's about grasping a concept that is very much a part of human experience. Getting your bearings is crucial for navigating life's changes and challenges. It represents a period of learning and adaptation, which is essential for growth and success in any new phase of life. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to get your bearings. Remember, it's all about figuring out where you are, understanding your situation, and adjusting to new circumstances. Whether you're traveling, starting a new job, or learning something new, giving yourself time to get your bearings is key. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.